You've also been very, very successful at thinking up interesting marketing connections in the way that, for instance, Red Chilies has a TVC division, and a lot of the brands that it handles are also brands that you endorse. So that's a nice little fit that you have there. Similarly, for KKR, you use some of the brands that you represent and you use them during the IPL season. Again, very, very smart marketing. Do you think of yourself as also a marketer, entertainer?
No, you see, the first rule of communication or entertainment is get enough people in the room to at least see the entertainment and then decide it's no good or I really like it. Get the book to be sold first to enough readers. It has to reach to people. A part of that reaching is to market it. I find it now getting really over the top and strange at times. I do remember, I'm not saying I'm a pioneer, but I have good ideas about going out and telling people to watch a film depending on the kind of film it is. So if it's Om Shanti Om, it is over the top. It's like, God, let's just go and see Om Shanti Om, man. They're talking about it so much. For another film like Chak De, I was like, I would never talk about the film. Let the film release. Post-film also, I never gave an interview about Chak De, and I'm very proud of that film. Even after we get the national award, I don't talk about it. It's the film about those girls. And that's the whole idea. That's the simplicity and goodness of that film. And if you can market films according to the nature of the film, similarly, when we did IPL, a lot of people didn't believe in it. A lot of people said it's too expensive, it's not going to work, and, whatever, domestic cricket does not work in India, 2020 is not test cricket, whatever. And I think we were also very worried. Me personally was very worried because I'm the only unlisted company, it's personal money. So I just went to all the friends who were working with me, like Nokia, who are fantastic people. I explained to them, I said, look, this is what I think will happen to this. I don't know, yes, I can't guarantee you success of my team, but I can guarantee you success of this. I think it's a great thing. I wanted to do it for soccer. I love sports. So they came on board, and Nokia has never done a sporting event before. And I'm so glad that it did well for them. So I think it was out of duress that I've gone there, not out of some smartness. Actually, you become very smart when you're in trouble, and when you're in a shortage of funds and you don't borrow. But but I truly like, if I was to do a job for you or offer you a business proposition, my first rule of business is, and I think it's my mom and dad who used to say, I have to make sure that you gain from my business. I want to say thank you for your business. I want you to make some money out of it if that's what you're looking for, or name out of it if that's what you're looking for. And the third part is that I need to very, very clearly be honest to you. Like, this is what I can deliver. And I think that's why my business works. It's as simple as that. That you come, work with me, and then this reputation of being King Khan, and I joke about it, please, I don't say it seriously. A lot of people think I'm being pompous. He's a big star, and he's Bollywood's biggest star, and XYZ, and all this happens. And I'm like, God, now if they work with me and they lose, that really sucks, man. So my friends have been helpful. Fortunately, I have these ideas about sports, and the times are changing. I'm 43 now, but I think my ideas are still relevant. They are about youthful people. Maybe I've had children at the right age, so I understand kids like this, youngsters like this. I've still not aged mentally. I've still not gone into being a thespian. I've still not gone into being a guy. I'm still looking, it seems like yesterday I've come from Delhi, and I want all the guys who employ me to gain from me.
So you're hungry.
I'm hungry to make sure that you're happy, and that's the job of an entertainer. So I think that's a simple aspect of business.
I'm going to come back to KKR a little bit. KKR was a very interesting experience for you. The interesting part of the fact is that your team, even though it did not do well on the field, made money from day one. So it was a success in that sense. Was it a learning experience for you?
No, it's just this. It's ironic, I think. It's like you make a flop film and you make money. So I'm really depressed by it, personally, and I understand it's a sport, and I always knew that there will always be a 50% chance in losing in a sport. It's even as uncontrollable as a film, or even more so. It's more risky. The boys are wanting their best. I think maybe we made some bad decisions. When I say bad decisions, they were not business decisions, they were sports decisions. Take this person, make them do this. The things you realize that emotions are very high in this job for the cricketers and the coaching department. And I realized that it's not as idealistic as it should be. Everybody's got to feed their families. Everybody got their own stresses of doing well and not doing well. And it's my shortcoming that I didn't realize that we are in a real world playing an unreal emotion. And maybe I made all the mistakes. Having said that, I'm going to win this. That's one thing very, very clear. I'm going to win this. And the first 2 years, yes, we made profit. I don't know if we are the only company, but we are told. I read in Economic Times at times that, we are the only one who are making a profit. We did.
From day one.
From day one, yes. We've made money. Not too much, but we're not in a loss, which is wonderful. Also, it's wonderful because I don't have the money. If I lost 10-15 crore rupees, people think from the outside stars a lot of money. I don't borrow, like I said, and I've got no other investor, angel or otherwise, or venture capitalist. Nobody. Everyone says I'm selling the team. I won't. This is my team, and I'll make them win it. Would it make me happier if we won the championship and lost some money? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. But again, the logic is if we won, we'll even win the winnings, so we'll not lose any money.
Yeah, so.
But it would make me happier. I wish my team was winning, and I wouldn't mind the business going wrong. That is the essence of this business, and I'm going to make sure that we win, inshallah. I'll pray harder, I'll work harder, and hopefully the boys will get it right. And it's a chance game, with a lot of talent and a lot of skill, but it can go wrong. 2020 is like that. But I feel really bad we haven't won. And like you said, that did he teach me any lessons? No. For me, it is about winning this, winning it on the field. IPL is not my thingy, it's Lalit's and BCCI, so I can't comment on that. But KKR has to win. We have to go there, win happily, be smiling, and enjoy ourselves, and look like sportsmen after hurting ourselves. And that's what I want KKR to do. No, business-wise, I haven't learned. I mean, I guess you learned that it doesn't make me happy that I show a profit. No, it doesn't make me happy at all. And inshallah, we'll win it and have profit. Very good. Don't have profit, it's okay. We got to win this. My children get depressed, we lose. I have this childlike quality in business. You got to win, man. I mean, you got to do well. You got to make little kids want to be night riders. I want them to wear golden helmets. I want them to wear black T-shirts. And yeah, and this is the first time. Korbo Lorbo Jeet Bo. I want Bengal to be proud of the fact that I went there and put this team on. I know I've let them down, and I can't help it. I can't retake this, and it's not me acting in this film. I would not, but there are days, if I hadn't hurt my shoulder, I would practice and start playing for KKR. I want to do this.
Yeah. You'd be an opening batsman?
I don't know about batsman, but I'll be a better coach maybe. At least I'll do my Chak De speech, and it'll work with the girls.
Touché.
Yeah, so it would work, and maybe I'll get it right, but we'll get it right. I think we are on a good wicket now. I've been sitting with the whole team. Fortunately, I've hurt myself. It's a good thing. I'm spending a lot of time setting up KKR. The cricket part of it, which we thought we've done last time also, but there were communication problems, language and stuff. But now I think we made it more basic, simple, straightforward. And yeah, I think this is the last year we have a chance. Then 2 more teams come in, etc., etc. We got to win this, man. I mean, I know in a certain way KKR is a bit responsible for the branding that IPL also has. Yes. I don't want to let down IPL. I want to win this, yeah. I don't want to let down IPL and Lalit and the whole BCCI.
What is it that drives you now? Are you still having so much fun that you don't want to waste a minute? You want to be there, you want to do it?
Yeah, I'm for 1 year I've been really in pain, so I've stayed at home. First time I have even seen my cupboard. Otherwise, it's just been put by my wife, and I didn't get a chance. Once we shifted into the bigger house, I'd never set my cupboard myself. So I've gone and done it now. I didn't know which books I have. So this is the first time I've stayed back. And, so my wife tells me, you know what, I think it's time you can take it easy. So I say, okay, yeah. So I sit down I have a bed now, which, because of my shoulder, it comes up automatically. I have a big plasma TV, of course, Videocon. And but I sit down and put on this movie on iTunes. You can download it, and I'm watching it. And as I'm watching it, suddenly I'm getting worried. But listen, I can't do this. I'm a middle-class guy. I have to get back to work tomorrow morning, and I'm hyper. And I wake up, and I'm like, no, listen, I need to get back. I mean, this all is okay. It's nice to be traveling in first class for a bit, but I need to be able to afford to buy the ticket.